हेलो एवरीवन, वंस अगेन वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ ब्यूटीफुल सी ट्यूनिक। तो आप मेरे लुक से समझ गए होंगे कि इस तरह से ये ट्यूनिक्स आएंगी जो कि आप किसी भी बॉटम वेयर के साथ पेयर अप कर सकते हो। तो दीज आर वेरी समर फ्रेंडली, बहुत अच्छी रहेंगी एंड कंफर्ट बहुत ज्यादा है। तो मैंने जो साइज वेयर किया हुआ है, दिस इज मीडियम एक्चुअली, एंड लाइक दिस इज एक्चुअली द लिटिल बिग, लाइक आई प्रिफर लाइक मीडियम ओनली। सो दिस इज एक्चुअली द मीडियम साइज, थोड़ा सा लूज ही है मीडियम में। सो अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन बाय योर साइज। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। दिस इज द फर्स्ट आर्टिकल विच आई am wearing. So let me just tell you that whatever sizes I have in this, I have medium which I am wearing, and the large size bigger than the my size, and the large. I have two large, and large and medium is the only available pieces in this, right? Now let's come to the next article, next design. I would say these all are Zara brand. So this is the second article. Beautiful article, rayon material है. I already said this is summer friendly. So बहुत प्यारे पीसेस है, रफ एंड टफ पहनने के लिए, गर्मियों में बहुत अच्छे रहते हैं। तो ये मेरे पास अब सेकेंड डिजाइन आएगा। आप देख सकते हैं इस तरह से ये जो है ना पूरा हिप एरिया कवर कर रहा है, राइट? सो मीडियम साइज में ब्लू मिलेगा आपको, एक्सेल, like some sizes are sold in between. So medium is there, large is there, and XL is there. Medium, large, XL is available in this, right? Now let's come to the one more article. This is the design. This is brown color. And one more thing I wanted to tell, like these buttons are openable. If anybody want it for the feeding purpose also, they can go with it. So and this is the XL size available in this design. XL size आएगा ये design में. This is the only piece in the XL. XL में सिर्फ ये एक ही piece है, right? Now let's come to another design, very light color and like beautiful color, and this is same है pattern सबका, but sizes आपको बताऊंगी. This is available in all the sizes. This design medium रहेगा and large रहेगा, XL रहेगा. This design is available in all the sizes. इसमें आपको सारे sizes मिलेंगे, medium, large, XL, right? नेक्स्ट आएगा, अभी तक जो थे वो आपके रेयन मटेरियल में थे. दिस विल बी इन अ कॉटन मटेरियल. सो दिस इज अ मीडियम साइज विच इज अवेलेबल विद मी. नो अदर साइजेस आल्सो देयर. मीडियम, large, XL. So this is another design which is available in medium, large, XL, right? And let's come to another cotton one similar to the last one. This is available in single piece which is XL. This is available in XL size. You can have a look. Very nice pieces, I will say. And let me complete this first brand only. I have another tunics also which is of Soch brand. So let me show this first. So this is available in two sizes. This is the design, XL size and large size. Medium, large, XL. Medium, large, XL you will get in this design. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp me if you like any of the design. So this is another design which is available in two large pieces. This is in a cotton material. Large size आएगा. ये large size रहेगा इस तरह से. मेरे इंस्टा पे on all the like I already put videos of these article while wearing. If anybody wanted to see those also, I will share all. Like this is available in 1 minute. Medium, large and XL. Sorry, this is available in large and XL. Large and XL, right? Now from this brand, These are two sizes available in this, medium and large. So this is also in a cotton material. बहुत प्यारे हैं ये, बहुत प्यारे ट्यूनिक्स हैं. हिप एरिया आपका कवर करता है, कंफर्ट रहता है. कुर्ता पैंट के साथ पहन लो, स्ट्रेट पैंट के साथ पहन लो. वेरी नाइस आर्टिकल. सो दिस इज अवेलेबल इन medium and XL, right? So now we talk about the pricing of those articles which I already showed. The pricing of these articles, the article which I am wearing is only rupees 350. 350 you are getting these, right? Now let's come to single pieces I have in Swatch brand tunics. This is a short kurta available in M size. This is available only in M size, and you can have a look. Like I generally wear medium size, so this is exact perfect size. सोच ब्रांड्स रहेगा. आपको ये पूरा टैग वगैरह आपको नजर आ रहा है पूरा. लाइक दीज आर द ओरिजिनल पीसेस and pair up with the jeans or the straight pant, very perfect. And this is actually the embroidery over here. So now let's talk about the pricing of this article. This is 500 rupees. 500 you are getting this short kurta, right? Only single piece I have in that. Now let's come to the another Soch article. So very nice, like these are like single piece. So single piece, obviously you will get a discount also. This is in white color and these all are embroidery on the neck. So this is only 400 you are going to get. These are 400, original Soch brand, right? Now let's see one more single article. This is a large size and there is no side cut. साइड कट नहीं रहेगा, इस तरह से ये टॉप आएगा. नो साइड कट इज देयर, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू. एंड इट विल बी लाइक फुल ऑफ एम्ब्रॉयडरी इन द फ्रंट. एंड द brand is Soch only. Single like article, single piece, size only large. Size only large. You just need to take the screenshot whichever article you are liking. Now one of my favorite, black color. This is a beautiful piece. You can easily pair up with jeans, pants. Again, I'm repeating the same thing. And like this, the look is going to come. Right? So this is all embroidery, right? Now let's talk about this one size. This I have large. I have small. I have small, medium, two medium pieces. Small and medium is available in black. Small and medium is available in black. So the article which I showed you, previous one, now there is a color also in this. So this is available in M size. This is available in M size. Just have a look how it's going to look like, full of embroidery in the front. This is available in M size and the other size is XL. Other size is XL. This is the look it's going to come. So this is available in XL and medium. Now let's come to one more article which is in blue color, same like the black one. So this I have sizes also. This is medium size. All Soch brand tops you're gonna get at 400 rupees only. So this same I have medium, XL. Only two pieces I have in this, right? Now let's come to the another one. This is like sizes also I have. Let's first have a look to the piece. This this is available in large size and the other sizes too. Large and the small. That's it. Two sizes, large and the large and the small size. Large and small size is available in this article. Now the piece which this piece is there, same I have yellow color also, the same piece I have yellow color also. In this I have all the sizes almost. So this is small, I have medium and XL, no large. Small medium, हाँ, no large, small, medium and XL size is available. And this blue one, same pattern, same everything, but the yellow color. So this is available in 3 sizes. Same price, 400 it will go. Now let's come to another article. This is available in a single piece, I could see. So this is a single piece, like no side cut. Like I would say one thing, like these few articles are like no side cut, like no broadness is there, but like it will be like the simple top. No, length is little shorter than the this one. So this is single piece which is available in the small size. And if you see this one now, there is a little broadness according to that. So those who have a tummy or like something, they are conscious about that, they can go with this article. No tummy will be visible. So this is a single article which is available in small size. Now I have one more in small and one last one in large. So this is the article which is available in small size, same like yellow, but this is green color, right? Small size. And now we are coming to the last piece of the video. This is available in, this is actually a different pattern. One of my, I personally kept this piece for me, right? So this is a little different. Let me brief you. So this is article like will come with the embroidery over here, and this is very pretty. बहुत ही प्यारा आर्टिकल है ये. इस तरह से इसका लुक आएगा इधर से. And like if again I am repeating, if you're conscious about the tummy, best piece, very nice article. Pair up with the ponch pants, wide leg pants, jeans, anything you can pair up with. So all the prices are same of these articles. These are flat 400. Original brand. If you talk about the showroom price, these are 1499. But we are here giving you only at repeat 400. So if just a simple method to buy, take the screenshot and send on my WhatsApp number. You will get all the details regarding this, and your order will be dispatched from our hand, right? So this much all for today's video. Please don't forget to share it with your friends, so that like your support really mean for me. Like I'm growing just because of you only. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.